I'm Chaparazzo, and today I'm going to show you how to make a cheesecake in a rice cooker. You can use, like I said, a standard rice cooker like I have here, or you can use Instant Pot or a similar kind of multi cooker. Quickly go over our ingredients. We're going to need 8 ounces of cream cheese, 2/3 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 2 eggs, white and yolk separated, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cups of pancake mix. You may also substitute cake flour, that works too, and then butter to coat the pan. Then we're going to take our lemon, make sure our knife is clean, and then just squeeze a bunch until we have enough lemon juice. And then prepare the eggs. I'm just going to show one to save time, but just take a look at what I'm doing here. I'm carefully separating the egg, keeping both halves, and then just passing the yolk between each shell half. Eventually we're going to be left with just the yolk. And now we're going to work on the batter. First, start with the flour, and then our egg yolks, which we previously separated and mixed. Of course, the cream cheese would not be a cheesecake without cream cheese. And our heavy whipping cream, measured in a 1/3 measuring cup, and in 2 parts, a little bit of the vanilla extract. And now we're mixing. We don't need to mix it too much. We just want to make sure that everything is incorporated, especially the cream cheese. And slowly remove the beaters so they're not quite so dirty. And there we go. We have the first part of the batter. And here we are going with our egg whites, lemon juice, and sugar. And now we're going to put together the egg white mixture. First the whites, and like I said, just a teaspoon of lemon juice. Then add the sugar in parts as we go. And we're just going to stir as long as it takes. And again, slowly remove the beaters while they're still going. Introduce the excess. And here we have our egg whites. As always, going for stiff peaks. As you can see, they're very sturdy right now. And then we're just going to mix the egg whites and the batter together. And this isn't going to take very long. We're not going for a deep mix. I think I only did this for like a minute, and then probably that was too long. And here we are, ready to bake. With our pre-buttered pot, we are going to add the batter. You can also use parchment paper to line the bottom. Actually, that probably would work better to remove it, but we said butter, so I just add more butter. Just make sure it's even, covering all the bottom of the pot, and it's very level. All we need to do is sit back and wait. Now, it took about 50 minutes for the cheesecake to completely bake through. It's going to really depend on what kind of multi-cooker you have. Some of the high-end ones have a cake function, so if you have that, I would definitely recommend using it. Here we have our completed cheesecake. And right now it doesn't look that presentable, so we're going to gussy up with some powdered sugar and some sliced kiwi. And here's our cheesecake again, all dressed up and ready to be eaten. I think it turned out pretty good. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.